There are moments in life when the world feels confusing, when success seems far away, and we start searching for something deeper. In 1974, a young man with long hair and restless eyes landed in India. He was not yet a legend, he was just searching for peace, for truth, for meaning. That man was Steve Jobs. That journey would later inspire him to help build one of the most revolutionary companies in history, Apple. Years later, another young creator, confused, doubtful, unsure of his future, came to India too. His name was Mark Zuckerberg. Today, billions of people connect through the world he created, and even in the world of cricket, Virat Kohli, the pride of India, faced heartbreak, loss, and failures before rising to greatness with unshakable faith and discipline. What connects all of them? Behind their journeys, there was a quiet spiritual force, a presence that guided without speaking loudly. A simple Indian saying, known lovingly as Neem Karoli Baba, Maharaj. He owned nothing, he ruled no kingdom. He lived simply, yet around him, miracles walked like shadows. Welcome to Curiosas, where curiosity meets clarity. Around the year 1900, in the peaceful village of Akbarpur, Uttar Pradesh, a child was born on a sacred day, Shukla Paksha Ashtami, in the holy month of Margashirsha. His parents, Sri Durga Prasad Sharma and Srimati Kaushalya Devi, named him Lakshman Narayan Sharma. No one knew this child would one day be remembered across the world as Neem Karoli Baba, Maharaj Ji. Growing up, Lakshman looked like any ordinary boy, playful, innocent, full of life. But there was something different. While others played, he often sat quietly, lost in deep thought, as if listening to a voice the world could not hear. His parents wished for a normal life for him. Like tradition demanded, he was married young. But destiny had written another path. As Lakshman grew, a deep calling began to grow inside him. One day, still very young, he left home quietly, without telling anyone. No luggage, no plan, no destination. Just faith and the road. He wandered like a sadhu, unknown, unnoticed, but guided by something higher. During those wandering days, a simple movement became legendary. He boarded a first-class train without a ticket. The ticket inspector entered, saw the scene, and demanded ticket. Lakshman Das smiled gently. He said nothing. Inspector grew angry. If you have no ticket, get down. Without argument, the saint stepped off the train and quietly sat beneath a nearby tree. Calm, peaceful, silent. The whistle blew. Steam rose. Wheels turned. But the train refused to move. Minutes passed. Then hours. Mechanics checked everything. Yet the giant iron machine stood still. Word spread among villagers. This is because of the sadhu they forced off the train. Realizing their mistake, railway officials rushed to him with the folded hands. They begged forgiveness and requested him to return. The saint agreed, but with one condition. Build a station here so the villagers won't have to walk so far. They promised. He stepped back onto the train and softly said, Chalo. The train moved instantly. Later, a railway station was truly built there, named Lakshman Das Puri, a reminder of the day a saint stopped a train, not to show power but to help people. From there began a life filled with quiet miracles, love and devotion. And decades later, Steve Jobs found peace in his ashram. Mark Zuckerberg found direction. Millions found faith. Neem Karoli Baba never chased fame, yet the world came looking for him. Because where true devotion exists, miracles follow silently. This is not just a story of a saint, this is a reminder. Sometimes the greatest power doesn't shout, it whispers. If you like this story, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.